Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to configure Arduino as a I2C slave and I2C master. Here we will see how to receive data from I2C slave to I2C master. So let us get started step by step. This is schematic diagram. Here you can see we are using two Arduino. One Arduino is I2C master and another Arduino is I2C slave. Both are connected through I2C bus. A4 is SDA connected on A4 and A5 pin is connected on A5. Okay. We can request the data from I2C slave to I2C master. Okay. I2C master will access I2C slave using I2C slave address. Then I2C master will print the data whatever it will receive from I2C slave. Okay. So now we will see Arduino programming. You can see I am using here two Arduino. One is master and another one is slave. Master will request the data from slave and slave will send the data to master and it will print the data on serial monitor. Okay. First of all, I will go to file and examples and we will see wire library and here you will get slave sender. Okay, I will open it. Okay, you can see this is I2C slave code. Here this is 8 is I2C slave address and this is delay and it will send the data, means it will write the string if master will request. Okay, so first of all I will upload this code. So I will select here COM port and to see the COM port I will go to device manager. You can see there are two COM port. One is COM port 5 and another is COM port 9. Okay. Now I will upload the code I2C slave to COM port 5 Arduino Nano. Okay. And I will upload the code Arduino master in COM port 9 Arduino Nano. Okay. This is COM port 5 and board is Arduino Nano. Okay. Now go to tools. Okay, old bootloader is selected. Now click on upload. I think code is uploaded. Now I will go to again file and examples and wire. Now I will click on master reader. Okay. So here you can see I2C.begin is join the I2C bus and initializing the serial monitor, and this is request form. 8 is address, I2C slave address, and 6 is data size. Okay, there is hello 1 2 3 4 5 and this is space is 6th number. Okay, so I will type here slash and this is new line. Okay, and here it will read and store the character in C variable and it will print character by character. So I will click on upload. Sorry, let us check. This is COM port 5. Okay, okay, cancel. Now I will select COM port 9 and Arduino Nano. Upload the code. Okay. Now I will again upload the code of I2C slave sender. Okay, now I will open serial monitor of master. See, you can see here it is printing hello and new line Now I will change the string hello world. Now it is 12 byte. Okay, I will upload the code of master and I will upload the code of slave. See, it is printing hello world. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.